Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for any drama by name inside the DramaBox app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, at the top you will see your search bar or a little magnifying glass icon. Tap on the search bar. Your keyword will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Now type the exact name of the drama you want to search or you want to watch. For example, if you want Crash Landing on You, just type the full name. As you type, you will see a suggestion appear below. Tap on the drama title you are looking for. Once you select it, the drama page will open. Here you can see the episode list, description and play button. Just tap the play button to start watching, and that's it. You have just learned how to search for any drama by its name on the DramaBox app using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.